Hi everyone, welcome back to Father Shops. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Search Console for your website. So whether you run an online store or a blogging website, this tool is essential for understanding how your website performs on Google. In this video, we'll cover how to add your website to Google Search Console, how to add a team member, and what are the key benefits of using Google Search Console. So let's start. So we will start by adding website, which is also known as a property, to Google Search Console. For that, what you need to do, you need to open your browser and type Google Search Console and come to this page, which is being displayed on my screen right now. So once you are here, click on Start Now. On this page, you get to see two options, domain and URL prefix. We are choosing the domain option for the setup because it automatically includes all the subdomains on your website. It also supports both the HTTP and HTTPS versions. Moreover, you get a complete unified view of your website's performance, so there is no need to add separate versions. On the other hand, if you're selecting URL prefix, it will only track that particular URL which you are entering here, and you would have to manually add every version of your website to get full data, which is not a smart move. So, for the most websites, especially e commerce businesses, domain is the better and more efficient option. Now, enter your domain name here without HTTPS, then click on Continue. As you can see, my website is auto verified because it is connected to a Google service like Google Analytics or Tag Manager. If your website is not connected to these services, you will need to verify it manually. And don't worry, the process is really easy. Just follow the on screen instructions and it will be done in a few minutes. Now, let's go ahead. This is the dashboard of Search Console. Let's look how to add a team member to your Google Search Console account. But first, we need to understand why do we need to add a user. So adding users allow them to manage, monitors and improve your website's performance in Google search. And this is very useful if you're working with a marketing agency or SEO consultant, or if you have a developer who is helping you with technical fixes, or if you have a team which is managing different aspects of your website. So instead of sharing your Google account, which is very risky, you can safely give them control access from here. So let's see how we can do that. For that, you need to go to the setting option from the left hand menu, go to users and permissions, click on add users and enter that particular user's email ID address here. Here you will see different permission levels. So owner get the full control. If you choose this option, the user can view and make the changes. And if you go for this option, the user can only view and access the account. This feature is very great if you're working with the marketing or technical team. Now let's understand why using Google Search Console is important. So, Search Console is one of the most important free tools for managing your website's visibility on Google. So, with it, you can monitor your search traffic and performance. You can discover which keywords are bringing visitors, and you can identify and fix indexing or mobile usability issues. So, let me quickly walk you through the main sections in the sidebar. Let's start with the first one, overview. This is a quick summary of your website's health. Like you will see how your website is performing, whether there are any issues with indexing and things like mobile usability. It is like your website's health check report. It's very handy for a quick glance. Now let's move on to the performance. This one is really useful. Here it shows how many people clicked on your website, how many times it showed up in search results, and what search terms people are using to find you, and what is your average ranking. Right, so basically it tells you what's working and what people are searching to to land on your website. Next, we have this URL inspection tool. This is where you can test any specific page from your website. You just paste the link here and Google will show you if it is indexed or if there is any issue with the URL and how it is being seen by the Google. So super helpful if you just publish something and want to check if Google has picked it up or not. All right, next we have in the indexing sections, we have pages. This part shows which pages of your website are indexed by Google and which are not. If a page is not indexed, you will see the reason. Maybe it is blocked or redirect or it has some error. So it's good to keep an eye on this so that your important pages are actually showing up in search. Next, we have this sitemaps option. This is where you submit your sitemap. It is basically a file that tells Google where your all pages are. So submitting this helps Google in crawling and indexing your site faster. And last, we have this removals option. So this tool is for temporary hiding a page from Google search. Let's say you have a page and you want to take down or fix before people see it. You can use this to remove it for a while. It is not permanent though. The page can come back later unless you block it properly. So, as you see, Google Search Console is a free tool that helps you track your website. It helps you identifying problems and boost your visibility on Google. And that's it. You have now successfully set up your Google Search Console account using the domain property. And you have learned how to add a team member to Google Search account. And you have learned what are the key benefits of using this Search Console account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.